Good morning children. Today we'll be continuing with our unit number 3, that is subtraction. See, in last class we saw many subtraction problems, that is 5-digit ones, where we had without borrowing, with borrowing also, 3 different means. I hope you have completed and cross-checked with your answers. Okay. See, in a subtraction, the number from which we subtract from is called a minuend. Okay. Repeat after me children, that is minuend. M-I-N-U-E-N-D, minuend. Okay. And the number which we subtract from the minuend is called subtrahend. S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-N-D. Subtrahend. Okay. So, and the answer we get from subtraction, no, that is called difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Okay. So, minuend, subtrahend, difference. Okay. See, one thing if you observe, if we subtrahend from minuend, we'll get the difference, we know that. Okay. To cross check this means to verify. Verify means to check whether our answer is correct or not. We can add the difference and subtrahend, we will get the minuend. See how, you know. See here, 0 plus 2 is 2, 1 plus 3 is 4, 3 plus 5 is 8, 5 plus 4 is 9, 2 plus 3 is 5, right? If we subtract two numbers, we will get difference, no? And if we add the difference to the subtrahend, means the lower number, second number is there, no? If we add these two, means we will get minuend children. Okay. See, this is how you do it. This is just for verification. Okay. Even when I am correcting your classwork, see, subtraction will become very difficult, no? See, I have to borrow, check everything. I'll do like this, you know. 5 plus 5 is 10, 7 plus 2 is 9, 3 plus 6 is 9, 1 plus 8 is 9, 1 as it is. So, I will check your answers like this all the time. This is how, this is a shortcut to verify, means to check whether it is correct or not. Okay. Many of your word problems will also be like this. Okay. See, in exercise, what is this? Exercise 3.1, there is fourth main, that is all word problems only. Okay. See, look at the first question. What should be added to 37,946 to get 91,643. Okay. See, they are saying that what should be added. Okay. What should be added to this number to get 91,000, means if I add this and this, then you will get this. So they have given the minuend here, right? So this is the minuend here. What should be added to, means this will be the subtrahend. Okay. Sorry. This is the okay. What you, yes, this will become the subtrahend. Okay. So what will happen now? We have to find out the difference between them. They are saying what should be added to subtrahend ge yen add madidre we will get minuend. They are asking like that. So what we should find out here? The difference, right? So just directly start with subtraction here. So what should we subtract from greater number to smaller number? We have to subtract, no? 91,643 minus 37,946. Okay. So what is 3 minus 6? We can't do that. So we have to borrow from left hand side. So 4 will become 3. This will become 13. What is 13 minus 6? That is 7. Okay. What is 3 minus 4? We can't do. Again borrow. This will become 5. This will become 13. 13 minus 4 is 9. 5 minus 9 can we do? No. So this will become 0, 1 here. 15 minus 9 is 6. 0 minus 7 we can't do. So again borrow here. 8. This will become 8. This will become 10. 10 minus 7 is 3. And 8 minus 3 is 5. So the answer is 53,697. Okay. So the answer is 53,697 should be added to 37,946 to get 91,643. Okay. So this is your answer. Okay. The same way, let's do the second one also. What should be subtracted from 67,215 to get 28,941? Again do subtraction here also. that is 67,215 minus 28,941. Okay, I hope you do the subtraction by yourself. I want to see your borrowing also in working column. Whatever problem you do, I want to see if in case of addition carryovers, in case of subtraction the borrowing also. If you don't do that, I'll assume you're using a calculator and I won't give you any marks in any test. Okay, so I want you to solve it here, then write down the answer, like this number should be subtracted from so and so to get so and so. Okay, write the answer here and write down the sentence here also, children. Pause the video right now, answer it, then continue. Okay. Okay, I hope you solved the second question, children. See, the sum of two numbers is 87,065. If one of number is 49,726, find the other number. Means two numbers are there. If you add, you will get one number. What is the other number? Means I have to minus from this number. So, what I will do here? 87,065 minus 49,726. Okay. The same way I want you to do subtraction here, then write down the, so therefore the other number is, and write the answer. Okay, so solution, therefore the other number is that you have to write the answer. See, children, in any word problems I want you to write a sentence and then mention the answer. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Question number 4. A farmer yielded 38,462 coconuts from his field last year. This year he yielded 47,285 coconuts. Find how many more coconuts he yielded this year. Okay. So, let's start answering this one. This is also a subtraction problem. Okay. Coconut yield in first year is equal to 38,462. Coconuts yield in second year is equal to 47,285. Therefore, we have to find out how many more coconuts. Means this is second year he had more coconuts than first year. No. So, therefore, we have to find out the difference in coconut or the increase in coconut yield. Yield is equal to, we have to subtract 47,285 minus 38,462. Okay, the same way here also, 47,285 minus 38,462. Okay, I want you to do subtraction here, then write on here. This is how you solve. This is the format of solving a word problem, children. You have to mention what is given, you have to show what kind of operation we are doing, then solve it in the working column, then write it here, the answer, then write it in sentence also again is so and so. Okay, I want you to solve this, write the answer here, make a sentence here also. Okay, the same way, let's see this one. In an assembly election, Mr. Suresh has got 42,618 votes. Mrs. Roshni got 54,951 votes and won. How many more votes did Mrs. Roshni get than Mr. Suresh? See here, this Mr. Suresh votes is 42,000. Mr. Suresh's votes is equal to 42,618. Mrs. Roshni's votes is equal to 54,951. Okay, therefore how much more votes he got means that is the margin of votes he got, like Mrs. Roshni got to win the election. Okay, therefore difference in votes, I'll just write down in a short sentence, children. While writing the answer, you have to write therefore Mrs. Roshni, therefore so many number of votes was won by Mrs. Roshni. You have to write down as a full sentence. Okay, difference in votes is equal to 54,951 minus 42,618. Just because I have written it first, you don't have to write that minus this. Always subtraction is done by greater digit minus the smaller digit. Okay, I want you to solve it here. Write down the answer here, children. Okay, finish this in today's class. From tomorrow's class we will be doing bigger problems which has both addition and subtraction. Okay, thank you.